So sometimes your car is gonna need a major interior detail. You got kids, or you work somewhere where it's super dirty, you gotta do a full, thorough, major interior detailing. Most of the time, however, you need something simple and quick just to keep it looking great. We're gonna show you how to quickly blow out the interior, hit it with a little interior detailer, and get the entire interior looking better than new in no time flat. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do is take the floor mats all out. Then I'm gonna go ahead and blow out the interior. Now, can you vacuum? Absolutely. But does the blower get more little lint and dust and things out of the nooks and crannies? Yes, it does. I'll teach you real quickly how to do it. Now, always aim the blower out of the vehicle. So you'll notice as I'm blowing this interior out, I can get dust out of each of these little vents very well. And out of the drink holder. And out of the seat. I like to open the seats up as much as possible and get all the dirt out of those cracks. So blowing out the door is critical. So the interior of this thing is just not that terrible. It's got 10,000 miles on it, but it's got some stuff. It's got just a little bit of watermarks on it. There looks like there could have been some makeup type things on there. There's a few things. The perfect process for doing that is using the microfiber utility towel and our interior detailer. I like to spray it directly into the towel, 5 or 6 squirts, right? And then I just go ahead and knock down the entire area that I want to be perfect. Now this is gonna leave it non-shiny. It's gonna leave it nice and dark. And you're also gonna notice that I will not be leaving anything uneven. The finishes will all be even after using this process. Very quick, very easy. When I do the driver's cockpit, I always do the driver's seat and the cockpit area first. It's typically the dirtiest, so I'm gonna go ahead and get it knocked out first. And one of the things you always touch, figure everywhere you go in life, you're opening and closing doors, right? You're going into buildings, your house or stores, you come out, make sure and thoroughly clean the parts of your car that you touch the most. Steering wheel being number 1. Number 2 is gonna be your shifter. Okay, you're gonna wanna make sure and get your shifter really nice and thoroughly clean because it's such a thing that you touch a lot and get dirty a lot. So now the driver's seat. After we went ahead and blew out all of the dust and the little tiny bits of specks, now the driver's seat, all it needs is just a nice thorough wipe down. I like to always crank open the seams a little bit to make sure that I pull all of the little bits of extra food crumbs or dust or specks out of those. And here's a good tip. If you see that there's some stuff down in the seats that doesn't come straight out, crank open the seam and pound it. That will bring those little things that will send them jumping right out. This thing had quite a lot of that just jump out, so that's good. Awesome, so now we've got that. The more you clean the bolsters, you keep those really nice and clean, the less dirt gets into those bolsters. When dirt gets into the little cracks in the bolsters, that's the sides of your seats. When you jump in and out, that's the part of your seat that seems to wear out the quickest. Keeping those clean keeps those from wearing out, keeps the dirt from becoming little bits of abrasives in there. So really is a nice way to keep your seats looking great. And you're gonna notice, no shine. All right, now the center console is gonna be another thing that gets pretty dirty. Let's say we, instead of having no kids, like the owner of this Escalade has none. I know the difference because I have 3, and my cars look very different than this one on the inside. Let's say I needed something a little bit more aggressive. Let's say as I'm cleaning, I'm not seeing the finishes get clean as quickly as I'd like. Well then, you're gonna change and go to a different product. So something like more like the Total Interior Cleaner, that's gonna have more cleaning capacity, but right now this is doing the perfect trick. You're gonna notice that on the wood, the burl wood, and the shiny plastic and things like that, you're gonna notice that the interior detailer doesn't leave it perfect until you wipe it once with the damp side of the interior detailer towel, and then flip it to a dry part of the towel, and then it'll come up really nice. Your nav screen, things like that. If you go ahead and do that with the interior detailer towel, you're gonna wanna follow it with either a polishing towel or a completely dry, fresh, brand new utility towel to leave it with 0 streaks and really, really glossy. And then of course the dashboard. Make sure you wipe down the dashboard. Another thing you'll like about this product and this process is that it does not attract dirt, doesn't attract dust, doesn't get nasty after having a little product on there. Sometimes you can see products that'll actually attract dirt later, which you don't want.